First of all, I would like to say thanks to our educator sir, Saya Muhammad Asam sir, for giving me a great opportunities to share my feelings that I tell on the importance of education for Rohingya communities, girls and women. Dear esteemed teachers, adored parents, honorable guests and dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope all are well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am so. This is Ma Rogat Bibi, a student of Basic Education, Community High School, Payashwepe, which is located in Camp 16, Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. Education for Rohingya girls and women is essential at a global level, as it empowers us to overcome historical marginalization and challenges rooted in our communities' struggles. For decades, the Rohingya community has faced systemic oppression, displacement, and lack of access to basic rights, including education. In the past, cultural norms and socio-political neglect deprioritize women's education, exacerbating gender inequality and limiting our ability to contribute to society. Investing in our education today is critical for breaking this cycle of poverty and marginalization. Educated Rohingya women can become leaders, advocates, and skilled professionals, bringing transformative change to our communities on a global scale. Our empowerment contributes to peace building, sustainable development, and gender equity, aligning with international efforts such as the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). Political will and global solidarity are necessary to ensure access to quality education for Rohingya girls, as this fosters resilience and creates a generation capable of addressing both local and challenges. In supporting our education is not only a moral imperative but also a strategic investment in creating a more equitable and just world, like the slogans. Number 1, education empowers Rohingya girls and women to break barriers and achieve independence. Number 2, educating Rohingya women strengthens communities, promotes equality, and ensures a better future. Number 3, through education, Rohingya girls gain knowledge, skills, and hope for better opportunities. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Ma Rogat Bibi, teh dile sadu syukuriya.